Special thanks to this company who was nice enough to send us this 4-pack of pickleball paddles for beginners and professionals. You get 9 balls inside of this bag, 4 paddles that are all identical, as well as the carrying case. So let's open it on up. See the sticker there. So we have, look at that, nice little logo on them. We get our 9, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then we also have 1, 2, 3, 4 paddles, and that's it for this little carrying case. There's a little like divider in here, and there's this pocket up front as well. Nice handle here, as well as a strap here. So I'll take these out of the bags real quick. Very nice fiberglass honeycomb core. Very nice look. Nice grip on the handle, nice logo. That is these pickleball paddles. 2, 3, 4. That's everything that would come inside of this set. Your 4 pickleball paddles that are all identical, as well as your 9 pickleballs. That'll do it for this unboxing. Thanks again to the company for sending this to me to unbox and show you what you get here. And now let's go play some pickleball. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.